This is California dreaming right here.
Hey, Charlie.
How we doing?
Good, how are you?
This
Charlie.
is just gorgeous.
Oh, it's great. Welcome to
Hi.
Dube Vacation Rentals.
You guys have given the Jersey Shore quite the competition here.
Well, you know, those guys can't make it this far.
Well, welcome to our beach house.
Oh, it's a beautiful Balboa Peninsula. Can't beat this place.
You guys do it right. So what is it that made you fall in love with Newport Beach?
Just how close it is to the beach. It's one house to the beach and one house to the bay.
It's incredible. When you're walking around here, you're like, this is what California is all about.
Well, this is the best place to go to people watch, for example. You can walk the boardwalk, you can go to the bars, there's a Cabo Cantina, there's a local bar right around the corner. You have the Fun Zone. You can drop the kids off, they can go play arcades, you can go hit the saloon.
All kinds of
Yeah,
stuff.
Ferris wheel, everything. You name
Oh,
it.
really?
Yeah, absolutely.
Just being able to walk up the block, ride your bike, and you see all the shops and restaurants here. You don't really need a car out here.
No, you don't need one at all. Everything is close, right by. You can walk anywhere. We have bikes in the garage. We actually have a garage. So if you have a car, you can park it in the garage as well.
No kidding. And you talk about convenience. You guys supply a ton of activities here.
So we supply the boogie boards, beach chairs, umbrellas, anything that they need to go to the beach and have a great day.
And what's really cool too, you guys not only give them the perfect location, steps away from the beach, but the latest and greatest. It's dialed in. Everything is the latest and greatest. Kick back by the fireplace, watch the game.
All of our properties we keep up to date. We like them to vacation at them as well ourselves, and that's why we buy in those locations and turn them into Airbnbs to share. But we pride ourselves on ownership and how clean everything is and modern.
You guys have a ton of space here. So break it down for us how folks can stay here, because I know there's two different apartments, could be together or separate, and they're both gorgeous.
Thank you. So the upper is 5-bedroom, 3-bath. We have 2 decks. The rooftop has a jacuzzi, barbecue, fire pit for entertainment. We can sleep 10 in this unit. Down below, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, and we can sleep 8.
And that balcony, I love that. Being able to people watch all day right there, sipping
All
some
day,
vino.
yeah.
It's not bad. When the bars close at night and people have to mosey home, it's fun watching them stumble down the road. But that's a good spot, but we have a better spot up top.
Oh yeah?
I'll show you that one.
Oh, I can't wait to see that.
Let's check it out.
Let's hit it.
What do you think?
I think you did not undersell at all. I love that you get water on both sides.
Yeah, ocean, bay. It's beautiful.
Hot tub.
Then there's a hot.
4th of July fireworks, the bomb. They do them actually right here at the pier. So you can just see it everywhere around.
The boating out here has got to be just phenomenal.
Yeah, there's from sailboats to power boats to catamaran. It's amazing. Catalina Island's right there.
Jeez. And the trees lining everything. These are the trees, the palm trees the dreams are made of right here.
This is beautiful.
What do you tell people who've never been to Newport Beach? What should they expect?
Sun.
Yeah, no kidding.
Look at us now. Late October, and we're what, 75?
This is incredible.
That's great.
And the water sports, I mean, the surfing out here is like, it's world-renowned surf out here.
It is, yeah.
And you have supplied the people with so many activities. Your garage is like a treasure chest.
From the boogie boards to the beach cruisers to a rack electric lift that we put in the garage that lifts the bikes up and puts them over top of your car so there's still parking for your vehicles. It's amazing.
That's incredible. And you have enough bikes for the whole party.
Well, we try.
Yeah, you don't try, you deliver. Can't thank you enough for sharing.
Of course.
It's been great.
Thank you so much.
Yep.